Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the project and selecting the clip you want to change. This focuses your adjustments on a single shot. Once the clip is loaded, switch to the color workspace so the Lumetri panel and scopes are visible, because you need accurate feedback. Make sure Lumetri scopes are open to monitor waveform and vector scope. They show exposure and color cast. Now that tools and scopes are ready, lock your timeline playhead over the shot and prepare to apply the first correction. You start with basic correction in Lumetri because primary fixes shape everything else. Adjust white balance using temp and tint to remove color cast, then set exposure and contrast so the waveform centers without clipping. Once done, refine highlights and shadows to recover detail, making sure skin tones stay natural on the vector scope. If saturation needs lift, nudge the saturation slider sparingly. Too much hides detail. Remember, small changes compound, so preview playback. You finish by applying creative or curves adjustments to craft the final look, because these tools preserve your primary corrections while adding stylization. Once satisfied, render a short test export using the same color space as your sequence, match Rec. 709 or Rec. 2020 depending on delivery, so what you see is what you get. If colors shift after export, make sure sequence and export color space and GPU decode settings align. A single mismatch often causes hue or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.